All right, folks. Hey, thanks again for tuning in. This is Anthony.Fuller. We're looking at the 323 BHD SCK. This is a bunkhouse model. Comes with the two big propane tanks, and you also get a power tongue jack on this one. This one has a lot of room for actually everyone. I'll start right here. Nice big interior. So we got the big awning out here that comes all the way out. It's a really big one. Got outside speakers. There's a mount right here if you want to mount a television, watch the game, something like that. You do have a back door, so you have two doors on this one. And it also comes with the really big kitchen. Biggest kitchen you can get on one of these big 32 footers. If you come around here, you do have your spare tire. You do have a possibility of hooking up a rear camera if you want a rear camera on this one. Then you got your hookups over here, pretty basic. Have your outside shower. All your low points and your water connections are right here. Nice big slide. Follow me. All right, so the dry weight on this one's about, what, 79.42. So you would need a pretty big truck to tow this one. If you have any questions about towing on these, give us a call and we can let you know what size truck you would need. Follow me. Now inside, you're really gonna like it. First thing that strikes my eye when I come in this trailer is the fireplace. The benefit to the electric fireplace is it does act as a space heater, so it will heat this entire room right here. You have your DVD player and a nice sized television. On this coach, you get the full-size trifold bed that comes out to about right here, so you can get two big adults or a few kids on that one. You also have a really big dinette. I mean, you can get everyone in here. The whole family could sit here and play video games or just sit here and play board games, card games. This is an awesome, awesome area right here. Nice countertops over here on the kitchen. You have the nice flat surface if you need to prep food for cooking food outside and you're just bringing food in. You got a nice big place to set everything up. 3 burners and a nice oven. Got a beautiful microwave, stainless steel, and you also got a hood, and you got the nice Dometic stove. I mean, refrigerator, that is. Get plenty of stuff in here. Nice little storage cubby right here. Now also, all these trailers, pretty much all of them, come with independent LED lights all the way throughout the trailer. So if you step over here, nice sized main bedroom. You got 2 closets here for hanging clothes, and you have covers up here for books or whatever else. And then if you look under here, you have storage. You can put your blankets or all your extra stuff there, board games. Now, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. All right, take a look. It's pretty big. It got its own entrance, so the kids do not have to come in to use the bathroom and interrupt anything you guys are doing in the living room. And that door helps keep the funk out. All right. All right. Well, hey guys, my name is Anthony.Fuller. If you have any questions about this trailer, give me a call, 541-653-2818.